Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be looking at line graph. A line graph is a chart that displays information as a series of data points connected by straight line segments, used primarily to show trends over time. Now, if you look at my screen, I have year and I have revenue. Now, I want to make use of my line graph to show my revenue, this particular revenue over time. So the first thing we need to do is to highlight your table, and then you then locate your line graph. To locate your line graph, you will see it under the insert tab ribbon. This is my insert tab ribbon. Then the drop down, then you click this particular line. Now these chart styles, they are suggestion. Now the next thing we need to do is to expand my line graph. Good. And I will also move it up a bit. Good. Now we give it a title, so I will give it revenue trend. So I will give it revenue trend. So now I have my, then we can also bold it. So now the next thing I want to do is that I want to remove this particular axis, so that will be delete. Then I also want to remove this axis, that will be delete. Now I want to uncheck my grid lines, so you click this dots, you click this, and then you uncheck the grid lines, and then you check in the data labels. Then we have a data labels. So now this is just a simple line graph. Now I want to quickly explain or interpret. Now in 1990 we have 100,000 US dollars, and then in 1991 it moves up, 1992 it moves up, 1993 it moves up, 1994 it moves up, 1995 it moves up, in 1996 it moves up, in 1998 it moves up, and then in 1999 it goes down to 420,000 US dollars. This is a decline, right? Now in 2000 it moves up again, in 2001 it moves up, 2002 it moves up, and then 2003 it moves up. So it means that in 1999 the company recorded a decline this particular year between 1998 and 1999. Then the company recovered in year 2000. It moves to 460,000 US dollars. So line graph will give you the opportunity to be able to show your revenue over time. Of course, the trend. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.